So here we have a 2008 Toyota Crown GRS 204. This is the 3.5 litre V6, no supercharger or anything like that. It's got a custom exhaust, custom wheels as well, and basically there's not many reviews of these on YouTube, especially for the UK market. So I thought I'd do a very quick review. Basically shares an engine with a Lexus IS 350, which again is not available in the UK market. However, it shares like a lot of parts with obviously Toyota and Lexus. So if you want to buy this here in the UK, you can, you know, you can get all the sort of service parts that you need, bodywork and stuff. Obviously anything you're going to need for that is going to have to come from Japan. The car is mint, really smooth, got enough power. I believe these come with about 315 bhp, which is more than enough. They move nicely, smooth. You probably hear me say smooth quite a bit in this quick review. Because of the aftermarket wheels, the ride is a little bit bumpy with this one, but obviously if you have the OEM wheels, then you should be fine. You can feel the pull. If you're going to go for this car, the 3.5 litre V6 in my opinion is the best one. They do a 2.5 hybrid as well, I think, in the newer models. I think the only other thing to kind of share with everyone is MPG. If you're interested, you're probably going to get about 20 MPG, 20 miles per gallon, with it being a 3.5. As for that, sweet car. As standard with a lot of Japanese cars, you get a lot of toys, you get a lot of bang for your buck. So to run through a few of the things, you've got cruise control, you've got obviously your sat nav here, which doesn't work because it's all Japanese. All of this console is Japanese as well. You got these cool swinging vents which oscillate from side to side, which I've never seen in a car before. Sunroof, which I'm not sure if you can hear me very clearly, so I'll put it on the tilt. Folding mirrors when you lock, electric seats. This comes with the cloth seats, so there's no heated or cooled, but these are literally so comfy. It's like you're sitting on a sofa. Very comfortable seats. What else has it got? We got a CD player in here, DVD, mini disc player, which never ever kicked off really. Soft closed doors, that's quite impressive. Obviously full round electric windows. Bluetooth for your phone and audio, which is a necessity really. Ooh, what have we got there? T63 MG. Look at how we're keeping up with the C63. It's got a cold air intake as well. And yeah, for the condition, obviously, for the year, it's in good condition. Bodywork is in good shape. All round good car. Got coilovers on this one. I think it needs it. Otherwise, you know, these are built to be kind of luxury cars, so they can be a little bit floppy, but once you put some coilovers or just lower the car, put some big wheels on it, it's great. Keyless entry, start stop button. Doesn't have a CVT gearbox actually, so that's something of note, which is great. The CVT gearbox is, as you know, there's a slight delay in changing gears, so feels good. My dash here is still in kilometers. I'm in England and everything is miles per hour here, but it's okay, you quickly get used to that. Enough room for the kids at the back. Boot is good size. And here in the UK, there's not many of them, so it's kind of nice having, you know, a car which is a little bit unique and you don't really see on the road. So I do get comments. People are always looking at it, wondering what's that. It has it's got a Toyota logo, I think, in the emblem in the front, or at the back, sorry, and it's got a crown in the front, like this on the steering wheel and on the side. It's nice, and really, it's a cheap car, you know. You can pick them up for like 8,000, 9,000 with low mileage. This one's got 100,000 on the clock, and it's purring. Really, it's nothing for these Toyotas and Lexuses. But like I say again, if you have any questions, any specific questions, give me a shout. I just thought I'd do a quick video on it. Like I say, when I was looking for one, there wasn't anything here in England or anything detailed enough about what's going on. I can do a more close-up on any of the interior bits if you like. Just let me know.